This is Paul Wett with www.wetttraderllc.com here with the Midweek Report, folks. Yes, this market is so exciting. I mentioned to you folks earlier this week, actually, that there's a possibility that we're going to try to come up to this high over here. We're at 27 right now. This high here is 32. I think the high of the day has been the high of the day, I think, has been like 39, no, 30, 33. I apologize, 33.50. So yes, we're approaching that area again where I said that we had a high probability of hitting here, because two things, folks. Two things are going to happen here. Either we're gonna, let me try to pull up a 360. Either we're gonna make a new high, or we're going to make a new low. Now, we retested that last current low, and what happened? I think that we failed to penetrate it, folks. I mean, so this to me here's our support. Let me pull this up so everybody can see. This is your support line right here, obviously. We hit this twice. Right here, this area right here, guys. Support, big support. We did have a buy number there right at 1804 or 04 and a quarter. We retested it. I use that same number unless we penetrate it by 6 points, then I go to the next number. So what do? We're going to retest the top of the range. Folks, this is the top of the range. Up here, top of the range. So now that we're at the top of the range here, we are going to make a decision, aren't we? Because here's what's going on, folks. This is what I call the definition of a trend. The definition of a trend is this: higher highs, higher lows. That's an uptrend. Downtrend, lower lows, lower highs. We're right here. This is the last high. We break this high in 1940. We'll be making a longer term higher high. So that's what I wanted to just let you folks know. There's a high probability that we might. Let me see if I can get a weekly chart up here, because I want to show you the next support and resistance levels. Now, when you're using Wett Trader software, I'm just showing you the areas that the software is going to make the trade. The software does the work by itself. See, folks, right here. That's that 40 level. Now, we're coming above this moving average here. I mean, we could shoot right to this 1995, which is a possibility of this area being a sell number. Let's see what our sell number is over here. You know, we went past the 88, we went past the 87, we went past the 10 by more than 6 points. So all these numbers here, we passed. These are the sell numbers in the current longer term downtrend. So this is daily. Then as we get longer, like I said, 1917, 1994, folks, look at this one, 1995, 2006, look at these numbers here. Now, you don't need to know how to use all those Fibonacci retracement formulas and things like that. All the information you guys need when trading with Wett Trader is right here. Right here. You have the daily support and resistance areas. We got the high here at 33. We got 12 PP here. This is where we want to be buying. We're looking to put in a 5-bar high here. We put in a 5-bar low, folks. That's what I mentioned. This is our 5-bar low. Where are we going from a 5-bar low? 5-bar high. Buy the PP all the time, all the way up. You folks would have made a lot of money. A lot of money. So we got 1912. Then the next support, 1896. Our low is 1916, 1912, plus or minus 3 to 6 ticks, which is right here, 3 to 5. That tells me it's a pretty strong market. When we blow past that PP, we can't quite get there. We hit that PP 90% of the time. Now, this is last week's PP. Look at it. R1, R2, look at that. 1931, look where we're at here. 1933, R2, resistance. This is for the advanced guys, or the intermediate trader right here. I can show you how to pick the tops, pick the reversals. This is the best part. This is the best part here, folks. This is my monthly chart, right? S1, we hit this. Look at that, 5 points. 4 points. 5 even. 1925, look at that, folks. That's the PP. That's the average for the month. We're back up there. This was the high of the month last week. But look at this. We have a possibility of a breakout. We already hit this one. What's the next one after that? Boom. So, folks, I think we still might have a little bit of game left. I know the month is running short. But these are the areas you need to focus on when you want to make a high probability, low risk trade. If you want to check the demo out, try it out at www.wetttraderllc.com. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Happy trading.